Fusion Little Magic V1. This is the same one. I got these two at the same time. However, this one is really good. It's really fast, but I don't really like fast cubes. I like them fast, but also slow at the same time. So yeah. This is my main, the Ganax. It has the clear magnets and it is regularly re-looped with stardust and some nebula and even some galaxy. Just to get the feel that I really like. I like it kind of slow but also fast at the same time. That's why I use these three and stardust. I really like quiet cubes. That's why I also use these three loops. It's just really good. It's just a really good cube. Its corner cutting is freaking it's freaking amazing. And reverse corner cutting. It is just like freaking amazing. This cube is amazing. You can get this at speedcubeshop.com. This cube is my second main, so I have two mains. I have the Ganax and this one. This is the Moyu RS3M 2021. I also really like this cube. It would be really good if it had swappable magnets. It's just everything about this cube is freaking amazing. The corner cutting is just phenomenal for a cube. Maybe not the reverse, but everything about it is just so good. I really like the cube. I highly recommend this, just as main material. Oops. So yeah, I highly recommend this. Really good cube. I really like it, except that there are no magnets in here. That's probably the only reason why this is not my main at the moment, is that it just doesn't have any magnets. But a really light and good feeling cube. The corner cutting is pretty good. It's not like the worst, but yeah, it's pretty good. And then reverse corner cutting. Yeah, pretty good. I really like the color scheme on this. This is my last GAN cube, but there are more arriving soon. This is the GAN 356i. I really like this cube just for like practicing. I really like the app. It's super good. I just really like it. I like to practice with this one, especially if I'm learning new algs. But yeah, quite expensive though. But yeah, I really like it. Maybe it's not the right cube for me personally, cause I don't like the grip on it. I wish it wouldn't be frosted plastic. I wish it was something else than frosted plastic. So yeah, but otherwise I really recommend this cube for just learning new stuff. Like COLL, I'm currently learning F12 or advanced F12, and I'm almost done with full PLL. Yeah, I'm almost done with learning full PLL with this cube. So I'm gonna start learning full OLL. This right here is the mini mat that I use. It's not available on Speedcube Shop. This is from a vape store. I got this for free. I really like it. It's really smooth, and I just really like it. I'm gonna show you just like a view of it. So yeah, and now I'm thinking about doing some solves for you guys. The scramble. But that was also a terrible solve. I'm just really nice to a solve. And go. Okay. That was